10 years, to be on record, 10 years before my leadership in Makerere University. Kuna ajireho na mobilizing. I was close to being a guild president in Makerere University, but politics is a Uganda Muslim. Kokana ataho mujenzi wanje una support injire na man ganje gona up to now kumbuga na Rutaro Robert Mjantini kubanje o asenze za university Muslim. Zikazi leche mnoga konkaka kora chikubasika chona na lema munareta NRM Makerere University kan kuihobo no kusitia hati tarho guild president of NRM uragarisire Makerere University echo nichigamba kandi nchesimsa
Ole media niyo yonka yo kushanga hebirungi nkebyo sekwati kole media birankore
Amazina ni Charity Chibash Kamhanda, woman member of parliament Barra City. Omwahiro kushaka kwa mali kama media kureba mu matwaro parliament n'ababeriraka echo mbaze mwetero mungana nikasima munonga abantu ba media kuko nani ndabya mwamisha nareba busumazi mamwena mukambuli y'abantu banje Shana Bruce Koka musa Bruce kacheza nagaje kona koke churuji akaguma munywano wanje yes omukaruraka umuntu numbaso muticherezana narifitebo mugore mwe konka Bruce busumazi I can say my friend because korotari munywano wanje ngota kuza yeta hamkoro Dr. Muhanji yagambye kigambo kweteka asana nigenda kubamanyisa ngunywe keteka I was the chairperson NRM Makerere University kandi na tamamani mingi nareba munagara NRM Makerere University NRM eke ebuzire kuleta guild president 10 years, to be on record, 10 years before my leadership in Makerere University. Kuna ajireho na mobilizing. I was close to being a guild president in Makerere University, but politics is a Uganda Muslim. Kokana ataho mujenzi wanje una support injire na man ganje gona up to now kumbuga na Rutaro Robert Mjantini kubanje o asenze za university Muslim. Zikazi leche mnoga konkaka kora chikubasika chona na lema munareta NRM Makerere University kan kuihobo no kusitia hati tarho guild president of NRM uragarisire Makerere University echo nichigamba kandi nchesimsa abo kuba then courage ejo abantu ba NRM tukatwa kwira manzi tukumanya NRM Makerere University ekumasa kwebembi kandi kunizire mbara city I came with the same energy abantu bakabine issues zitakwetekerezwa nyowe ko mwana umunyeto umusiyo kwizero ogwineviga okatomera nk'ebintu by'edini n'enganda ebyo utakumanya at all okashanga muno basa kubitera nabyo birabe reason ekikubagambira eki wabano yikiruzamu imwe leaders abakiri bato I want to motivate you wabano yikiruzamu teenage kurema as long as you're doing the right thing. So my biggest point, do the right thing. Na Bible ekigamba na nyatka kure kamjezo Asiwe Steven na senior James 4:17 Nejira. So whoever knows the right thing to do but fails to do it is a sin, and of course what will sinful, you will never prosper. If you know the right thing in your heart and you don't do it, it is a sin. If you know corruption is bad and you don't fight it, it is a sin. We need to come out as young leaders tujumirire bintu tukoza media. Aha nindetera mu issue ya Sansa. Sansa is my friend, but he misused media. Yes, don't think atikatumgambe nangwa katurgo omurwanje. Do you think omushija mukuru nkabasajja baraba haji oine businesses zona okwatirire wihangeri okuzire mbarasite akareta investments ze akastamu akena gwatuhereze emirimo akena gwarete tunguka mbarasite. Do you think ngu munywani witu Sansa umbantu twena umurimo ba media people nuwashaziremo kurwana nabo? There must be a reason. And the discipline they were telling you here, if we have no discipline, we can't go anywhere. Just look at our friend, look at Honorable, and look at Haj Basajabana. Do you think they should be fighting? So, mediate. Before I even know issues and Sansa, but nyowe ko muntu ndari ko mwana najira ekina akora Stephen Asimwe no mundi abene member of parliament. He's older than me, he's my senior. I have to calm down and say I am sorry. The word sorry abokuba kungambire na honorable colleague wanje Honorable Idi Basajabana. Let him apologize to Mzee and then tumwiheyo agaricho band. But we need to learn from him. Discipline is very important. You saw how many people attacked me, how many leaders. So, and I will not mention names, I'm sorry, but you also, you were on media. What are discipline? Discipline will take you places. We have good leaders. We have Honorable Mawanda here. He's a parent. If you're misbehaving, naza kwiza hali. Abo kubata kwenda kwa associating name. So let us use media to promote the good things in Barasiti. Kado leader ukwara kore kintu kirungi nawo mugambe kugira ngo ba leaders abandi bamurebereho nabo baruce nyowe nkazakara mpiro yu chamadid nakwereza kashani ngo karabyemo nakwereza kashani ngo karabyemo barebe obunajo inzire PLU ababona bumwayibuzi aha bona nkabatanga PLU. Yes, mwena. So nani ngamba PLU nijigamba namani chikira mutuma. General MK, me I don't associate myself with wrong people and wrong things because I still believe in James 4:17, doing the right thing. Why associating na nomuntu okahura ni oinamani no wasakwe meromba tukugambe mu. Let me tell you, so far, even if they wake me up in my sleep, and they say, write the next president. My next president is General Kainerugaba. Because he has already showed us that he can be a good president. I have seen that he can fight corruption. Kandi echo nchochi ntochikuzayo shasha kabanya Uganda. Echo niyo kansa ya kabiri. Corruption. Ahabokuba Uganda, yes, chiri esiyo ya boro. Konka resources zinchi zirubona zu. Ahabwa corruption. Nazo nzikora chi nzifa. Konka wabo in these few resources zikakora it is supposed to kora at least tuchahitwa kihanga nyowe chikwemeraha omwihangwe ningamba about corruption with confidence ahabokuba nyowe nimanya ku first of all I've never been corrupt and I will never be corrupt. And I said never. The other time they posted Micah video swearing in talking about corruption and they said you're shaking a table with expensive drinks. If it is corruption, let the drinks fall down. If it is corruption, we shall fight corruption. You people, ninyenda kutukwatanisize hamwe abantu ba media. Media ina man. This media, I came and used the media and I know what it did. Media is so powerful. It can make you and it can break you. Use media mutware enjiri towards the corruption. Esente zihangari tuzubase kukora tutunje merumu. Nichisasa mnonga. Atu waza ababa abutulio tugamba nabo. Waza kubabuza ekibakora. Tugamba n'abantu abatine merumu. And they are here. Warwandi hangari tu bakoze cyone kikubasika konka ahawa corruption tariho makorero nikorero kuba rubo kiba kigitizimbe cyunga kuko ikomunda wareba machine zeze mu rusasi ukareba rere sente zo mu ntayibire ukareba because I have been to China noreba small factories the machines that's just 36 million.
Kore media niyo yonke yokushanga hebirungi nkebyo. Sekwati kore media vira kore.